I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video I show you how to draw an easy step-by-step picture of an African elephant. Enjoy! So welcome to my drawing of the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. They in fact grow to be around 10 feet tall and can reach 7.5 tons, which is like the weight of 2 cars. And they continue to grow throughout their whole life, which is about 70 years in the wild. That's pretty old for a creature in the wild, given that no one's really attacking them since they are formidable. They generally lose their ability to eat when they lose all their teeth, since they have 6 sets of molars which fall out in pieces, and the back ones move forward to the front throughout their life. So once they run out of all those teeth, there's nothing left to chew with, and if the elephant can't eat, well, the elephant can't live. Because basically they spend 12 to 18 hours a day eating. Since they're so humongous, they need a lot of calories in order to keep themselves alive. So they can eat around 300 pounds of food a day. And by the way, each of their teeth weighs 11 pounds and is around a foot long. So those are very big teeth, which I guess is not too big for them because everything about them is just so large. Their head weighs a few hundred pounds, and the weight of that is just so much on their body that their neck muscles are extra strong to deal with it, and the skull has many small air pockets similar to the bones of birds in order to keep it light, that it shouldn't weigh down on them too much. And those feet with the toenails, they have a few toenails on their few toes, and their feet are like spongy cushions that takes the strain a little bit off their legs from all that cumbersome weight on top. So this is a mother elephant with her baby. In general, elephants they live together in families. The matriarch of the family is the one who is in charge. She tells everyone where to go and where to eat and when to stop. And she is joined with a bunch of other females and their young, and any male elephants up to age 14. Once they reach that age, I guess they go out on their own. Sometimes males will form groups and eat together, but not in the same way as the females do. The females really stick together and raise their young together. So they have African elephants, both male and female, have tusks, and you can tell if your elephant is young or old by how long their tusks are, since they continue to grow throughout their life. I suppose that they can break off if they get into a very tough fight with another elephant, but in general, the longer the tusks are, that means that it's an older elephant. And there are 3 species of elephants: African, Asian, and the African forest elephant. It is not the same as the African savanna elephant. It's a different species altogether. You can tell African and Asian elephants apart, usually by their ears. And African elephants' ears are shaped like the continent of Africa, and an Asian elephant's ears are shaped like India. And of course they have this trunk like no other creature has, and it is an amazing thing. It weighs a lot by itself, but it is so dexterous and muscular. It has more than 100,000 muscles altogether inside it, and it's strong enough to pick up trees, kill lions, and it's gentle and delicate enough to take care of the baby and pick leaves, peel fruit. They enjoy drinking a lot of water to keep themselves cool, so they use their trunk to suck up the water and then they squirt it into their mouth. They don't actually drink through their trunk. And they can also take a shower with their trunk, and after the shower they put on sunscreen, which is sand. It sticks to them to the water and gets muddy, and they have some protection from the hot sun. So here's our mother and baby elephant, and we'll give them a bit of background. Elephants are so helpful to the other creatures that live around them. When it's dry, they can use their tusks to dig up riverbeds and make watering holes for other animals to drink from. They spread seeds of plants throughout the environment for new plants to grow. And when they go stampeding through a forest, all of their knocking down trees and bushes makes paths for smaller animals to go through. They have these small fingers at the end of their trunks that they use for grabbing things, and the African elephant has 2 of them, the Asian has 1 of them, so that's another way to tell them apart. And being that they can easily eat up a whole crop of a farmer's hard work for a season in a single night, they are vulnerable